for Jeff. My boy Jeff back there. He goes, man, I want to hear local rock and roll. The local rock and roll never quite made it, but almost made it. The Double Shot of Hazy's for you, Jeff. It's one of my favorite songs to sing ever, man. I love this song. It's the coolest song I've ever written.
Yeah.
Ricky! What's up, dog?
What's up?
A little song called Skin and Bones. Check it out.
Local rock and roll, man. The way it should be done. Hey, Kevin, come join us, brother. We miss you.
I was thinking about my boy. Sorry. We got gigs. We got gigs. Hey, we got gigs.
Going high.
fun as I'm having right now. If you're not having as much fun as I'm having, Jager, if you ain't having the fun that I'm having, you ain't having enough fun. Because I got a day job, I got a year sponsorship, I got crazy friends from Jager. I got my lovely wife. I got Jeffrey back here, the manager of this place. Said, you know what he just told me? You guys are cool shit now. So thank you very much for hanging out with us. What do you guys want to hear? Somebody do a song now. I'm looking for one song. Somebody come here and do me a song. Come on, somebody give me a song. And I'll serve Monday. Bare Naked Ladies.
I heard that. Somebody said bare naked ladies, didn't they? I heard it.
Okay. Bare Naked Ladies, my favorite subject. Check this out. It's good, you the pocket. This is the way we used to be. Bare Naked Ladies looking over for you.